I have here a smokeless fire pit stove. So I'm going to take everything out of here and show you what it comes with. So first thing, when I take it out, it's in a nice, really nice bag. And so I'm going to take it out and show you what it comes with. Okay, so when I take it out here, packaged nicely, I'm just going to take the packaging out and then I can put it together. So I got this little fire pit out of the bag, out of the packaging. The bottom here has some little feet that you can clasp in or have out when you're using it, which is really fun. These pieces are removable, so after you get the stuff inside here, you can put this back on top to kind of have a little cover for when you're using it. So when you're ready to use this, you can use wood, charcoal, or burning particles inside here. So I'm going to use either charcoal or wood when I use this, and we'll see how well it works tonight. So now it's nighttime. I'm going to start a little fire in here. So take this off. I have some charcoal and wood, so I decided I'm going to try both of them together. So I'm going to scatter it throughout. So now I have everything in here. So I got my lighter and it's long, so I'll be able to reach and I can start it. Now that it's starting to burn, I'm going to put this little wind cover over top so it will stay lit. So we got the fire started. It was really easy to start. It's really easy to use, and it's really fun to roast marshmallows outside.
Here's my Minecraft voice is going to eat.
Is it good? Mine's almost done. So this tabletop fire pit is really fun, really easy to use. You can see there's very little smoke, which is really nice if you want a bunch of people to use it. So I'd recommend it to anyone that wants a nice little fire pit you can take on the go or use outside your house.